Hi all, today I'm doing a review on this ultra thin motion sensor rechargeable ceiling light with remote. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. I was ecstatic when the company asked me to do my honest opinion. It was super simple and everything came in this kit in order to mount it to the wall. Now I'm choosing to put it up in my entryway, and the reason why I am is because it has 120-degree detection, and that will start up if somebody walks through the door. It's super cool to be able to have this rechargeable mounted ceiling light and not have it be wired like the old one I have there, which is not bright at all. I also like the fact that it does come with a remote, and right there is rechargeable. You see it is a C-type charger on one end and then a USB on the other. Now with the extra wide sensor, it does cover up to 16 foot for its range. That is super cool and will ensure that you'll always have a light come on when it needs to. Right there's a magnetic strip and the double-sided sticky tape that came with the kit. Now those are so sticky. It ensures that it will keep in place where you need it to or where you'd like it to. Now right there, you can tell how slim of a design that this motion sensor light is. It is only 7 inches by about 19 centimeters. Here I'm demonstrating how you take it off. So now that I've showed you that you can actually control it without this remote, let's talk about this remote. Now this light itself has 5 different color temperatures and it is dimmable with each one of them. And no wiring to set this up, and it adjusts and recharges so easily. You can see how bright that this will get. Let's talk about the battery capacity. Now fully charged, it takes about 4 to 6 hours from the C-type charger, and it'll last up to 8 to 10 hours on an always on mode, or 35 to 60 days for the motion mode. Perfect for hallways that you do not have electricity. So if you're looking for an easy install light, this is